Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Math with Yasir Arfat. Today we are going to discuss how to find out the derivative by using first principle of trigonometric function. This is the fifth lecture. In my first three lectures, we have discussed how to find out the derivative of the algebraic function. So here, this is the sine square x, and how we have to find out its derivative by using first principle. We have to use this formula again here. In my previous lecture, that was the lecture 4, we have discussed how to find out the derivative of sine function and cos and tangent function. Today, in fifth video, we are going to discuss to find out the derivative by the first principle of sine square x. So here we have to replace x by a, and this is sine square a. We have to replace x by a, so this is the sine square a. We have to use the formula here, that is f of a limit x tends to a, f of x minus f of a and divided by x minus a. So just we have to put the value f of x, that is equals to sine square x, and f of a, it is equals to sine square a. So just we have to put the formula here, that is sine square x minus sine square a whole divided by x minus a. So in numerator, it is a square minus b square. We can write down 1 time positive, 1 time negative, a square minus b square, it is equals to a plus b, a minus b. So this is sine x minus sine a and the whole divided by x minus a. In numerator, we have the formula sine px plus sine a and sine x minus sine a as well. But we have to use the formula only here, sine x minus sine a. Sine p minus sine q, it is equals to 2 cos p plus q upon 2, sine p minus q upon 2, because in sine p minus sine q, we will adjust the sandwich theorem there. So there is no need to apply the formula on the plus 1 here. That is sine x plus sine a. So here we have to apply the formula sine a. P means p and q are the angle of the function here, and the p means here x and the q means a. So we have to apply this formula here. So this is 2 cos x plus a over 2 sine x minus a over 2 and whole divided by x minus a. We have to shift this 2 here. We can write down this one. So this is limit x tends to a, sine x plus sine a cos x plus a over 2 sine of x minus a upon 2, and this is x minus a over 2. This 2 we have to shift out here, x minus a upon 2. When we have to reciprocal this, we will get again 2 here. So that means we can write down this 2 here. So why we have this activity? Because this is sine x minus a, and we have here x minus a upon 2, it becomes the sandwich theorem there. So we have to write down this one with the separate limit. Limit x tends to a, that is sine x plus sine a, then limit x tends to a cos x plus a over 2, then limit x tends to a sine x minus a over 2 whole divided by x minus a over 2. We can write down this one. So it becomes the sandwich theorem here, sine theta over theta. So when we have to apply the limit, so this whole factor will be equal to 1. So here apply limit, so we have to put the value of x, that is equals to a. So this is sine a plus sine a, and this is cos a plus a, and this is equals to 1. Sine theta over theta becomes the sandwich theorem, it is equals to 1. So this is here f prime a, it is equals to 2 sine a, and this is 1a plus 1a divided by 2a divided by 2. So this 2 will cancel out to this one. This is cos of 2a over 2. This is 1 sine a, 1 sine a, it is 2 sine a, and this is a plus a, it is equals to 2a. So this 2 will cancel out to this one. So this is 2 sine a cos a. Now we have to put the value. A is equals to x. So this is f of x, it is equals to 2 sine x cos x. This is the derivative of sine square x here. And we have to use the first principle to find out the derivative of sine square x. Thank you so much, dear students. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe my channel Math with Yasir Rafat. Allah Hafiz.